Everyone, in today's class we will discuss difference between management information system and decision support system. The short terms for them are MIS and DSS. Here MIS stands for management information system and DSS stands for decision support system. Both are information systems, but there is still a difference between the two. The main difference between MIS and DSS, that is management information system and decision support system, is that MIS supports structured decision making. Structured, here the word structured is important, that MIS supports structured decision making, while DSS, that is decision support system, provides support for unstructured or semi-structured decisions. This is the main difference between the two, that MIS supports decision making, similarly DSS supports decision making. The difference between the two is MIS supports structured decision making while DSS supports unstructured or semi-structured decisions. MIS provides, management information system provides information like reports for managers to make required decisions. It helps operational and tactical levels of organization. It mainly supports structured decision making. Means MIS is always used for regular kind of information. It provides report for managers to make decisions. It always helps in all levels of management in organization. It mainly supports structured decision making. In other words, the decisions are well defined and described in detail. DSS means decision support system is a system that provides information for management decision making process. It provides support for unstructured or semi-structured decision. In other words, these decisions cannot be described or defined. The difference between structured and unstructured decision means structured decisions are well defined and described in detail, but unstructured decision can't be described or defined in detail. So that is the difference between DSS and MIS. One more difference can be between MIS and DSS is that MIS always provides information to management, but we take support from DSS in special occasions only, because DSS provides support for only unstructured or semi-structured decision making. MIS provides support for every kind of decision making. It means MIS provides support for those decisions which are well defined and described, and DSS provides support for only those kind of decisions which are not properly structured or semi-structured decisions. It means these decisions can't be described or defined in detail. So here is the difference between the two. Okay, thank you for today.